I live in Echevarria. I study at the monastic escola. My teacher is Ichiar. I like playing with Legos and I don't like playing football.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Sudan. I am 9 years old. I live in Bilbao. I study at the monastic escola. My teacher is Ichiar. I like math, but I don't like bullying.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Sakara. I am 10 years old. I live in Bilbao. I study in the monastic escola. My teacher is Ichiar. I like football. I don't like ballet.
Good morning, everybody. My name is Irene. I am 9 years old. I live in Echevarria. I am studying in the monastic escola. My teacher is Ichiar. I like soccer and I don't like basketball. Good morning. We are Super Lego Star team and we want to play a very famous Bomb with you. We need your collaboration.
You need an iPad and obviously you need to play as a team. Let's go!
Let's go. So, but we also need your help, eh? We are together, but your help. Okay.
Do you know what we can find under the sea?
So many things, no? A ver, rubbish, fishes and plankton, clouds, and sky. To click, okay. So what can we find under the sea? Sky, no? Fishes and plankton? Okay.
That is correct. Big and small fishes, sweater and plankton, and there are so many species that have not been discovered.
How do you think we can investigate these things?
Okay, so again for options. Crawling, flying, swimming, or using robots? Well, in the ocean, swimming, but maybe using robots in this case? Or not? Using robots? I'll go for using robots. Let's see.
That's right. There are many places under the water where humans can survive alone. That's why robots will make the job. We can program them, we can control them from the distance.
What can you see in front of you?
In the mock-up. Okay. The poles, the forest, the sea, or a playground? Okay. I think that if we are in submerged, maybe the sea, no? This is the sea. Okay, the sea?
It is correct. In our project, we have a lot of explanation about what we can find under the water. Inside there is a cave. Inside there is a cave that we have to investigate where the sea is represented.
How many robots can you see in the model?
One and two.
That is right. Here we have two different robots. The first one is a submarine that moves to one side to the other side in the model. And the second one is another submarine that investigates underwater caves.
Do you know how do we work?
In this project we have been working as a team.
I mean, I have asked for help, so thank you. As a team.
In this project we have been working as a team. All of us have done the same amount of work. All the decisions have been taken together. Anytime that we have had doubts or discussions, we have resolved them, taken and solved them by respecting each other's ideas.
In our poster, we have illustrated three different parts. In the first one, there is information about ourselves. In the second one, you can find information about the robot we have created. And in the last one, there is a little bit of information about the topic we have been working on.
We hope you have enjoyed it.
And thank you very much for listening.